Here we have the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the hourly time frame. Each candle on this price chart represents a 1 hour trading period. And I have not changed anything on this chart relative to the prior chart analysis that I did for this stock. So what we can see here is some of the prior sort of support and resistance lines that we were watching here. And we can see how well these actually held up versus the initial projections here. So, there are a couple of points that can be made here, but obviously the main issue here is the fact that share prices have now broken convincingly below this sort of $4.36 zone here. There was some prior, there were prior support zones that were established at $4.32, as we can see back here on the price chart. But that has now broken as well, and we do have to look at the near term, like what was the actual price low for this session. We do actually have to get that number here. So yeah, I mean, we're currently trading at $4.12, which really puts us right back at the this sort of long time ago price low, which came in at $4.10 back here. So we're really going way back on the price chart at this point. Right here, we're looking at roughly the end of May. Sort of the beginning of June. It's really the end of May that this was formed. So we haven't yet broken through that support level at the moment, but there really is not much that's holding up this stock here. And I was looking at the prior comments for the previous video, and I think some guy said something like, this guy's just like Jim Cramer. You should just do the opposite of what he says. And as if that's not a tired comment, that opposite of what he says comment. I mean, Jesus, can you come up with something original, please? But there are major reasons why my trading projections are nothing like Jim Cramer. Jim Cramer does not beat the market, and there are reasons for that, and that's very well documented. His charitable trust never outperforms the S&P, never. I mean, that you can look that up on your own. You don't need to take my word for it. My trades easily beat the market every single month. And there are many reasons for that. Jim Cramer's the people that go on his show. He's bullish on your stock if the CEO goes on his show. I mean, and it really is that simple. And that's really the reason he doesn't beat the market. He just chooses stocks based on who goes on his show. I don't do anything like that. I don't have a dog in this fight. I don't have a long position or a short position. So what I'm telling you is the most objective reading of this price chart that you're going to receive. Whether or not you like what I'm telling you, I have no position here either way. I would like to see you people get rich from this stock. I would have no problem with that. I just don't think it will be happening. I don't think there will be a short squeeze. And I think that this recent chart activity here is really confirming this. And I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but some of you people actually deserve it because, some of the comments are pretty ridiculous. So, but that's also not everybody. I don't think everybody deserves to lose money here, and I do feel bad for those people. So, what we're currently looking at here, is this price zone that has fallen to that prior end of May support area at $4.10. So, the best thing that could possibly happen, and I'll give you the bullish side of the argument here, would be for share prices to somehow bounce from here. I'm laughing because I think that's highly unlikely, but that would be the bullish scenario here because that would then give you a support zone right around $4.10. I personally have a hard time believing that will happen, and I'll tell you why. It's mainly due to the fact that share prices have just continued to post lower highs. I mean, it's lower lows and lower highs. So, to suggest that somehow that, 410 is going to be the magical level. Well, why wasn't it 436? Why wasn't it 472? Why wasn't it 460? Why wasn't it $5? There were many other places where that type of support could have generated itself. And then it just never occurred. And then when you look at the indicator reading here, what we're really looking at the moment is a broken uptrend in the bullish indicator reading that was being seen previously. We were seeing a little bit of a bullish price movement in the momentum reading. But what I said in the prior video was that the slope on this trend reading is extremely drastic. It's a bit too much. And those types of momentum readings tend to not last very long. It's very easy to break those to the downside, and we can see that happening here. Share prices have now moved lower. So, you know, there's not much that can be said here about what's really going on at the moment, because you also just lost this indicator reading here, and this longer term trend direction is now still pointed in the bearish direction. I mean, you broke through the bullish reading, but the bearish reading remained intact. So that's not a good sign. I mean, that's not what you want to see happen. So, I understand. I mean, hearing bad news is not doesn't feel great. And if you're in this position, you've probably been in this position for a long time, and that's unfortunate. But this is why I cover these stocks. I cover all these meme stocks, and none of them are going anywhere. It's really a depressing situation, and this is why I did open up the members only section of the channel, so that people that are in these stock trades have a way out, so that they have other stocks that they can be looking at, and some real strategies with everything you need. So entry points, stop loss levels, profit target levels, when to get in, when to get out, which stocks to be looking at, et cetera, et cetera. It's designed for beginners, and it's really designed for people that are trading in these meme stocks. This is who it's designed for. So, this is the reason that I cover these stocks, and this is the reason that I made the members only section of the channel. Some people say, well, why do you cover these stocks if you don't like them? Well, you don't just cover things that you like. I mean, that doesn't make any sense at all. Why? So I'm just supposed to be bullish on every stock that I cover? I mean, it's juvenile, and that's actually what leads to losses. And the other people that are covering this stock on this platform, they're just clickbaiters. They're just telling people what they want to hear, because they know that results in more click activity. You don't make very much money on YouTube. They're making pennies, and the people that are trading these stocks are losing a lot of money. They're losing far more money than these people are making when they make these videos. You don't make very much money on these videos, but those people don't care. Just like the management of AMC and GameStop, I don't think they care about shareholders either. So stop holding the bag. There are other stocks to be trading. Here's the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings, stock ticker AMC. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.